Hello, 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 Internet. How are we doing today, everyone? My name is Life7765, and I'm a little bit sick right now, but that's okay. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to world build, based solely on my experience. I am not a professional. This is your disclaimer. I didn't go to world building school, I didn't get a degree in playing God. This is just a hobby. So starting off, what is world building? World building, in my opinion, is the act of creating a world. It's not exactly like making OCs, but more so building the world that they live in. These worlds can function however is needed for the plot. They can be realistic if you want, but imagination is central. Even in a world where it's mostly based on modern events, you still need to have that aspect of creativity, in my opinion. So that then brings up the question, how do you world build? This is using my strategy, again, nothing professional. I don't know if there's a professional way to world build, but there's a way I world build, and this is how I do it. There are 5 main steps to world building. Step 1, the concept. This is where you would bring up the story, plot points, and a general idea. This doesn't have to be something in depth, this can be like a scene that your brain generated for fun. Like, it doesn't have to be in depth, just something to start off with. Step 2 is the setting. This is where you'll come up with general countries, a world layout, and a backstory of the world. Step 3, external factors. This is going to be for things like religion, conflicts between countries, alliances, etc., etc. So these external factors are the big things in the world, the big pieces that create how the world functions. Step 4, similar to the last, is internal factors. This will cover things such as how countries function, little details, animals, and the specifics. So this is where the less important details will come in, things where you can just like put in little ideas and stuff. Step 5 is what I like to call soup. It's where you put everything together and add some seasoning. So this is where you would add the finishing touches after completing all the other steps. So you might be wondering why this video is really short, and that is because I'm going to be doing multiple episodes on this and kind of explaining each step in depth. And I'm going to be making comparisons of each step in my own fantasy world, so that way I get to info dump, and you get to learn. Because I think that's pretty cool. So again, I apologize for the length of this video, it's rather short. The other ones will be longer and more in-depth, so stay tuned for that. And with that being said, Life7765 out. Bye!